Hello guys, this video I will show you how you can use the pinballx API to get information in Excel and create pivot tables about them, to see all kinds of statistics and filter your data in games. So first start Excel, make a new worksheet, go to Data tab, uh, hmm. Go to Data tab, click on the sheet, and then choose Import from Web. Keep it on basic. Go to your game AX online page. Log in. Go to your page. Click API. Copy this command for get last played games as JSON. Paste it. Change get last played to get games and JSON to CSV. Click OK. It will show you your the information how it has gotten it. So choose load. You can only do one API call per second, so if it doesn't show anything, you should refresh. Now on this tab sheet, we got our data from pinballx. It shows the basic, like which system, which computer, which publisher, what year. It's data you entered in the game manager. And if you have GameX Online enabled, it will upload it to GameX Online. So next, let's have some fun and create some statistics. So go to another sheet, an empty sheet. Choose import, choose add or something. Choose pivot table. Select, click here, then select here, like when it's showing a 55-degree angle. Yes, like that. It's showing the API. Click enter, click OK. So now we have the data. Next, we will put some filters. So we want to filter on, let's see, the application, the computer name, the publisher, developer, the year, and category. We want to see the system first, and then the table name. So now we already have all our tables grouped per system. But that's also already fun. Let's show the count of name, so the table name. That will show you, if you group everything together, you will get the totals of tables per system. For example, a pinballx3, it's showing 192. But the reason it's showing 192 is because I have the system, I have two PCs where pinballx is running on. So I filter on pinball cabinets, and it will show me 69, which is correct, and all from my other systems. If you expand, you can see the game names. Now, also let's add times played, and this must be the sum. It doesn't show sum. Right click and show here wordings and choose here sum. Now we can also see how many times we played the table, and we can see which system we played the most uh, if you contract everything. So here you see the total number of tables, total number of times played. Per system you can expand the data. It's really interesting. If you want to say, let's say we want only to see from tables from Bailey, it will show you the systems where the tables are, along with the table name, how many times you played it again. Or we want to see Williams, how many Williams tables do I have? it showed me 64 over all the systems. It's important that your GameX databases, so you have set it up in Game Manager, is correctly filled in. For example, I should rename my Zen Studios one because I placed every single table under Zen Studios. I should make a subsection or change the tables from Zen, which are the remakes from the real tables. For example, at Max, Attack from Mars, etc. I should put the real publisher. Now I can Malsby. It will show me Malsby's pinball collection. You can remove by choosing all, and you will see all things again. If you have GameX Online, then you can choose here instead of pinballx also GameX Online. Now, let's say we want to see this visually. So next we choose for insert and then pivot graph. Again, click here, go to your tab with the data, select it like that, press OK. And next, what we do, suppose we want to see total tables or something per system. So we want to set the same filters. So we set count from name. We want to see. We want to filter on. We want to see system as categories. Yes. We want to see. We want to filter on application, computer name, publisher, developer. Let's see. I should place it lower. Developer. Het writeable tabart kan niet overlappen met een ander. Not sure. Maybe I should move it lower. Pivot tables. But let's try some more. Now you can already see. Maybe you should put it on a separate. Let's try again. Hang on. I will remove everything, pivot table, and I will create a new sheet. So on this sheet, add the pivot table. So insert pivot graph. Select the range. Okay. Choose system as category. Number of aantal from tables. Count from tables. And we want to filter on application, computer name. Or you can put system in the legend. That's nicer. And we want to filter on developer, on year, on category. And that's it. Now you can, let's make this a different kind of pivot table. We want to see a circle. Yes. It should go in 3D now, in 2D. Okay. See where the system should be in as categories. And now you have a nice table. You can also put, hang on, gegevens labels. then you can see the numbers. So, and if you make this bigger, now you can clearly see I have 60. Let's see, pinballx3. It says 192, but the reason it says 192 is because it selects my both PC. So if I select my pinball cup, it will show 69. And now you have a nice graph to show you where all your tables are spread out over your different systems, and you can see the total numbers of your different systems. You can mess around with the colors. You can even filter on type or on developer again. No, publisher. So Bailey tables, how many Bailey tables are there? I've got 66 in Bingo Game Room, 8 in Visual Pinball, and 16 in Visual pinballx. If you want to remove it, select all again. There you go. And if you save this Excel sheet, in my documents, pinball X statistics. Okay, it's saved. Every time you get back to, for example, you updated you added new tables, and pinballx, you went online with pinballx, and pinballx has updated it in their database online. You can just press here, right click. No, you have to go to data and choose renew all, and then it will renew the systems. So yeah, that's it. I don't know how many times pinballx updates their stuff, but normally you should be able. That's because if you get this, if you get an empty list, it's because there is a limit on the number of times you can call the API. If you do it more than once per second, you get an empty list. So you should press renew again, or I should wait a bit until you get all rows loaded again. It doesn't want to do it. You can also refresh here by right clicking and choosing refresh. You see, now I get the data again. So if this happens to you, it means you refresh the data too quickly after each other, and then the data should be updated. Normally, something went wrong. Oh no. The data should normally be updated, but I don't know. Yeah, I know. You have to update your pivot table and pivot graph as well. So you should choose renew on that, and renew. It already renewed, and then you can choose all kinds of things and play with it. Midway or the data est. I have only 2 in Pinball Arcade. Let's see, Bailey Midway, none. Not sure where it got in the data. Maybe in my other PC. It's the wrong PC. Pinball Cup. So in Visual Pinball, I got Black Pyramid, Bailey Midway. I should update my database entries better to use to get a better information here. Bingo Games is there's only one from Bingo Games. Yeah, it's a table the author of Bingo Game Room created himself. You can also filter. Let's say we want to see everything again on the year. So all tables from the year. I don't know what the year is, where many tables are. 1966. It will show you those tables and the number of times you played it. And if you contract everything, you can see you got 4 tables from the year 1966 being Visual Pinball and in Visual pinballx. These depend on your setup, so you have to check. but it's fun and you can play around it with Excel, and now you can see statistics every time and filter data, which is fun. Normally perhaps it's possible to filter also here. Pinball cup, yes, so you can easily filter here from pinballx. You don't have to filter in the categories here, so this is nice. Okay, so I'm going to save this again and I'm going to quit the video. Hope you like it and have fun playing with that pinballx API.